you gon' do to me? But I ain't seen nothing. I'm telling you to loosen up my buttons, babe. But you keep running, saying what you gon' do to me? But I ain't seen nothing.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Kenzie and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a more in-depth video. I'm gonna take you guys grocery shopping with me, show you guys a grocery haul, and meal prep with you guys for the week. So this is what I typically do on Mondays. This is gonna be kind of more vlog style, so I'm actually like taking you with me and showing you everything that I do like step by step. It's super easy, and for me this is just like an easy way to, 1, feel more organized, 2, be more prepared for the week, and 3, be a little bit healthier, and 4, save money. There's a lot of benefits that come with meal prepping, but any of the products that I mention in this video that I use, I will have on my Amazon page. I'm gonna try to do like a whole meal prep section on there, so that will be on there. It'll be linked down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Subscribe if you guys are new here, and let's get started. Okay guys, I made it to Trader Joe's. It is Monday at like noon. Ignore my face, I just self-tanned. I put on these hoops to try to be less distracting, which like now in retrospect makes literally no sense. Anyways, I'm just gonna take you guys along with me grocery shopping, and then I'm going to show you a little grocery haul, and then I'm gonna meal prep with you guys today because you guys have been requesting in the vlogs lately that I do an in-depth video on this, and honestly it changes from week to week. I'm not super strict. I don't even always meal prep like exact meals. I'll just do like things that I can put together, but I always do pick out what I'm gonna have. And like obviously I stray from this, like I will go out to eat, I will go do other things, whatever. This is just like stuff to have on hand, and then I normally just make my lunches for school regardless, because 1, I save money, and then 2, I can stay at school and get work done on lunch break. That's like what I do when I eat my food. But before I do that, I always decide what I'm gonna eat for the week, and I make a list. I'll show you guys on my phone. I've shown you this before. It's not groundbreaking, it's literally a grocery list, but I'll show you guys how I do it. So I'll just have a meals for this week note, and then I just write down what I'm having for breakfast. So overnight oats in my jars have just not been filling enough. They're super small, so I need to have a bar too on hand, because it's just like you can't find the perfect size basically. For lunch, it's chicken, rice, vegetables. I'm just gonna like make a plate. It's super easy to do that. And then for dinner, I'm gonna do chili, which is perfect because this is the perfect fall day. I was just driving around with my windows down listening to John Mayer, and I'm making chili today. So this is what I need to get from the grocery store. A lot of this stuff I already have, so that's why it's not like a crazy long list, except for I guess the chili. But yeah, I'm gonna get my AirPods, listen to something, and head on into Trader Joe's. Guys, I'm so mad. If you guys watch my vlogs, you guys would know, but my AirPods are for some reason always dead when I'm going to Trader Joe's. So never mind about that, but I normally will listen to like a podcast or whatever. It makes the experience 20 times better. So here we are, people. Great. Here we go. Alright guys, I'm gonna quickly show you a little bit of a grocery haul. All of this is around like $65, just to give you kind of an idea. I got a lot more for the chili than I needed to, because I'm constantly cooking for people, or people are coming over and then I feed them with stuff I've already made. So I always get more food than I really need to, but that's just for me. Like you definitely don't have to. But I got some peppers, some chicken, some quinoa, gluten-free bread, onion, garlic, and then you guys have seen this on my channel so many times. It was so annoying, but I always pick it up just in case I run out, because if I run out in the middle of cooking, it's the worst thing ever. And then I just have some beans, which you guys will see in the recipe, some tomatoes, mushrooms, I freaking love mushrooms, cilantro, avocados, carrots, and bananas. And then I needed some more K-cups, guys. Okay, K-cups from Trader Joe's, these are $5, and if you get this box of K-cups anywhere else, it's like $13, which is insane. So just have some nice K-cups. I got some chili lime seasoning blend. This is also really good if you just put it on like a papaya or mango or something. It's incredible. I got some zucchini squash. I feel like there's so much of that, but then I got just some bars, 1 bars, kind bars. I want a 1 bar right now. And then I got a lot more of the cans you guys will see for chili. It's just like beans, I think maybe corn, tomato sauce. And then I got organic blue agave sweetener. I'll put agave or like brown sugar or something in chili sometimes just to make it a little bit sweeter. So it's nice to have this on hand anyways because I'm out of all honey. So I just picked up some of this. And that is it for my Trader Joe's haul for this week. It pretty much goes with all the recipes that you guys are gonna see. Again, this is like $65, but if you guys want me to do a video where I just grocery shop like under $40 for 1 person for the week, let me know. I'm down to do that. I just, like I said, I'm always getting a little more food than I need because like Quentin's always over, like my friends are always over, and then I always wanna like feed people. So I always have stuff stacked, but I understand that that's not like normal if you're living in like a dorm or if you are just like busier and you're just like, you don't eat at your place with your friends or whatever. But let me know if that would help you guys or if this helps you more. I feel like the other way around would help you more. But yeah. Last thing, John Mayer throughout my house. Okay guys, I'm gonna get started with meal prepping. I'm hoping this will only take me about an hour and a half. I will typically do this if I wasn't filming this for a video or something. I really like to do this as I actually cook. So I'll cook once, eat 3 times. That's kind of how it is. But like for lunch, for school and stuff, I will do it. It honestly depends. It varies from week to week. But tonight I actually have dinner plans, so I needed to do it earlier. And it's a filming day anyway, so I was like, why not? I'm gonna be doing overnight oats, chili, and chicken, vegetables, and couscous, like I said. So it's gonna be a lot all at once, and you guys will see what I do. It's super easy. It's gonna get so hot in my kitchen, but I'm going to get started. So for my lunch, I just have some zucchini squash, broccoli, and mushrooms. That's gonna be like the vegetable-ish type stuff. I'm gonna make some quinoa. Guys, for some reason I always say couscous and quinoa, like I get them mixed up. So if I say couscous, I just mean quinoa. I don't know what's wrong with me. And then I have some chicken breasts that I'm going to kind of season in this bowl, and then I'm going to bake them. And this is gonna be like a 1-sheet bake type thing, and then I'm gonna make the quinoa. And also with quinoa, you can cook it in a rice cooker, and I have a rice cooker, and it's amazing for meal prep because it's just one less thing that I have to really try with. So I'm gonna make some quinoa. So I have the chicken in the bowl, and then I have some olive oil and a bunch of spices that I'm going to put on. All right, so the chicken is pretty much ready. I just spilled black pepper like all over my counter, which is awesome. So I have the rice cooker on. Guys, I cannot tell you how many times I've thought that it was cooking and it was just warm because I'm so dumb and just saw the blue light and didn't think anything of it. Anyways, I will have this exact rice cooker like down below. I think it was like $20. It's one of the best things that I've purchased because it makes my life that much easier. So I'm currently making some couscous, or no, I'm not. I'm making quinoa. See you guys? The chicken is ready now. Comment down below what you guys like to season your chicken with. This is just like a billion seasonings that I had. So I have all of my vegetables here. I'm just going to drizzle some olive oil and then my favorite seasoning for them. I know these are not technically, but whatever, cooking them together. Okay, the vegetables are now ready. Getting ready to make some vegan chili. I used to make vegan chili all the time with a friend's recipe and it was so good, but I haven't in forever. So hopefully this is as good. I have some like chili stuff, ground cinnamon, okay, like you guys need all these, whatever. A bunch of beans, tomato sauces, onion, garlic, carrots, tomatoes, peppers, cilantro. We just have everything ready to go, people. That took no time. I'm about to start on the chili. Honestly, with chili too, it's one of those recipes that's like kind of really easy because you can put in whatever you want. And certain people have like different chili preferences and whatever. And this is a vegan one anyways. I freaking love vegan chili. I grew up eating chili. I'm from Texas and like all I did was watch football growing up. And so I would eat chili all the time. And I actually really, really love this chili. And it doesn't make me feel gross after. Like I feel like lighter, whatever. So I'm gonna have so much of it, but I'm really excited and I'll show you guys what I do, but there's like so many different ways to do it and it's like really easy. So like you can do some of my things, add them. It's easy to do at home because you probably have a good amount of this stuff anyways, and you don't really have to like, I've never put carrots in it, but you can like add your own stuff, take it out, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so first I'm gonna start off by sauteing the onions and the peppers. So while I'm sauteing these at just like a medium heat, the chicken for my lunch is now done, and I'm now preheating the oven to 425, I think, right? Yeah. 425 for the vegetables. So these are all done and ready, and then I'm working on the chili and the vegetables are ready to go. All right, so now I'm just adding in some garlic. It's time for the tomatoes and then the tomato sauce and beans and stuff. So I'm opening all this up, and oh my gosh. And this is when I like start with the rest of it. Okay, super random, but I really like big tomato chunks, so like normally you would obviously make them a lot smaller. Anyways, everything is in here. I'm just going to add some of my spices. I'm adding all these, a little bit of chili, agave. I don't need that. This is for like much later. And honestly, brown sugar is really good in this as well. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in, but it's really good. Hi, Brooke. My quinoa is ready to go, so I'm gonna go ahead and at least start filling up my meal prep containers. I'll have these linked below. They're on my Amazon shop, and so is this. So all of this stuff will be linked below on my Amazon shop. I really recommend these meal prep boxes. I have other ones that have compartments in them, and honestly, I just find them kind of annoying. I think this is a lot easier, and it just works better for me. These are really cheap, they're really easy. I don't feel like if I like lose one or give them away, like it's a big deal. That's why I like them. I don't really want like super bulky glass ones, just because I feel like it just takes more space and whatever. These are just like what works for me. So they're on my Amazon page, but I'm gonna fill it up with the couscous and then chicken and then the vegetables. Okay, so now I'm going to make some overnight oats. These are so easy to make. You can really just put in whatever you want. I like using steel cut oats, but I'm trying to use this bag. Almond milk, chia seeds, almond butter. This is what really fills you up. Cinnamon, it's nice to have agave, and then just your fruit of choice. So I'm choosing bananas. Then I'm just going to like slice up a banana. Okay, so the last things, since I have like the base on there, I'll do is I'll just add a little bit of cinnamon on both. I'll do a little bit of agave. And then at the very end, I'll just do some chia seeds. These are my overnight oats. They're super, super easy to make. Takes 2 seconds, and they're a really great breakfast, and you can just pack it with like as many things as you want, basically. I'll also have these mason jars that I have on my Amazon shop. I'll have like a whole meal prep section, but this stuff's awesome. Okay, so this is the overnight oats. It's amazing. You let them sit overnight, eat them in the morning. They're the best. The vegetables are ready. They smell so good, vegetables and mushrooms. They smell so freaking good. And the zucchini is like perfect. I put them in the oven for I think 23 minutes at 425, and it's just the best. Also, the chili is done. I accidentally put way too much tomato sauce in it, but it's fine. Like when I serve it, it'll be like totally fine. Just looks so good. It smells amazing. I'm just so impressed with myself, people. So here's my really beautiful lunch meal prep. I just have couscous, chicken, zucchini, broccoli, and mushrooms. This is gonna be amazing. I love this. So I have 5 meals done. My counters are such a mess. I'm gonna put the lids on and then put them in the fridge. I just made the biggest mess putting this into a bowl. I'm just going to store this for the week and then just keep heating it up and whatever. It's so good. Thank God I have this under because now it's a mess, but it's okay. I'm also about to have some of it for lunch, but I'm so pumped for this. Alright guys, so it's an hour and a half later. I have my breakfast for the next 2 days. I'll make them like kind of as I go. I don't want to make 5 overnight oats in one sitting because like 5 days old, I feel like that'd be gross. 5 lunches, and then I have my dinner all prepped. So it was really easy. I also will sometimes do like energy balls and stuff. That's just what I did for this week. Super easy, doesn't take too long, and I just feel so much more prepared and like healthier and better because I'm not just like eating fast food or whatever. Just the best, and you save money. It's amazing. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Comment down below what time it is where you guys are watching and what meal you guys are looking forward to the most this week, or your favorite meal in the entire world. Mine is spicy fusilli pasta at John and Vinny's. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!